In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video content to Chatgpt-4. Now, you might already know that Chatgpt-4, including its advanced versions like GPT-4o, isn't designed to handle direct processing of full video files. So today, I'll guide you through an alternative and efficient method to achieve the same goal. Let's start by opening up the ChatGPT interface. You can easily do this by navigating to the platform where you usually engage with the ChatGPT model. Once you're there, make sure you're at the home screen because that's where we'll start our conversation thread. Next, if you haven't done so already, start a new chat session. This fresh conversation space is crucial because it keeps related content grouped together in one place, helping you maintain a clear and organized dialogue. Now, moving to the creative part of our process, you're going to need to select some significant frames or screenshots from your video. Since we can't upload full videos, think of these screenshots as storyboards for your video's content. Pick images that effectively represent the narrative or key moments you want to discuss. These frames should provide enough context to ChatGPT so it can generate meaningful responses for your queries. Take your time with this to ensure you cover all critical aspects of your video. Once you have your images ready, it's time to upload them into the chat. You'll do this using the paperclip icon you'll find within the chat box. Click on this icon and you'll be prompted to select the files from your device. Simply choose the screenshots you've prepared and proceed to upload them to the chat one by one. This method allows ChatGPT to process the visual content and generate insights based on specific frames, circumventing its current limitation on video processing. After uploading, you can now type in your prompt. Your prompt is essentially the question or topic you want to explore, inspired by the video content you've represented through these images. Be clear and specific in your prompt to help ChatGPT understand what you're looking for. For example, you might want to delve deeper into an idea presented in a particular scene or gain a broader understanding of themes covered in your video. So, there you have it, an effective way to share video content context with Chatgpt-4 through key frames. Remember, the goal is to create a conversation that's enriched by visual cues, allowing you to tap into the insights ChatGPT can offer, even with its current constraints. Thank you for tuning in, and make sure to explore more creative ways to engage with AI to enhance your work. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.